Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our class today. In our class today, we are having a topic that says listen and imitate. Listen and imitate. Let us see now how we're going to imitate of what is written for us on the board. The first one says, c'est une actrice sénégalaise. Number two says, c'est un acteur sénégalais. Number three says, c'est un joueur nigérien. Number four says, c'est une joueuse nigérienne. Number five says, c'est un élève nigérien. Number six says, c'est une élève nigérien. Number seven says, c'est un garçon ghanéen. Number eight says, c'est une fille ghanéenne. Number nine says, c'est un garçon français. Number 10 says, c'est une fille française. Now, what are we to learn here more? Is that with these signs, we are being taught, or we are being shown here, as we move from this, that we don't need to stop, just continue straight ahead by saying actrice. Because by the time you cut by saying sir in actrice, you are trying to create a boundary between the three words there. Therefore, this sign shows that as you move from here, connect to this one, from this one you connect to this one without stopping. And so by that you say what? C'est une actrice. C'est une actrice. Don't you say that it's that it's a Senegalese actress. Actress is what? Female actor. Then Senegalese is talking about somebody from Senegal. Then it's trying to say that this person or this girl or this woman is a Senegalese actress. So once you move from here, don't stop. Simply say what? C'est une actrice. C'est une actrice. C'est une actrice sénégalaise. So we continue with this one. Number two says, c'est un acteur. C'est un acteur sénégalais. Now this one is what? Sénégalaise. This one say what? Sénégalaise. By the time you say Senegalese, you're referring to what? Female. When you say Senegalais, you're referring to what? Male. That is masculine. So you simply say what? C'est un acteur sénégalais. Sénégalais. Number three says, c'est un joueur nigérien. Simply say what? C'est un joueur nigérien. That is what? It's a Nigerian player. It's a Nigerian player. And you just say what? C'est une joueuse nigérienne. C'est une joueuse nigérienne. C'est une joueuse nigérienne means you are trying to say that she is a Nigerian female player. A female player. So what? C'est une joueuse nigérienne. Number five says, c'est un élève nigérien. This is talking about a student. C'est un élève nigérien. C'est un élève nigérien. He is a Nigerian student. Remember, this élève is having another name that has to do with what? Étudiant. Now number six says, c'est une élève nigérien. That is, this is female student and this is what? Male student. The number seven says, c'est un garçon ghanéen. C'est un garçon ghanéen. That's what? A a male Ghanaian. That is a Ghanaian boy. It's a Ghanaian boy. The boy is from Ghana. The number 8 says, Soimfi Ghanaian. Soimfi Ghanaian. And so that the girl is from Ghana. That is a Ghanaian girl. The number 9 says, Son garçon français. Son garçon français. That is what? I'm going to say that the boy is from France. That is a French boy. The number 10 says, C'est une fille française. C'est une fille française. Trying to say that the girl is a French girl. The girl is a French girl. And so, that is all about this. Remember, we said listen and imitate. So, if you are there listening and watching, you just imitate the way I'm doing it. Because I want to do it one more time because of my time. So, with this, we are, at least with this, you'll be able to know how to move from a word and get connected to another word. So please, we are bringing this to an end. Remember, this is part 1. We are going to have the part 2 of this when next we come. And so please get in touch with this. It will help you know how to move from a word to another word. And with this, we are bringing our class to an end. I hope you enjoyed our class today. Remember, to get more of our video, you subscribe to this channel. Remember to share with your friends and loved ones. For those of you that are into music, you want to change your music from English to French, get a number from the screen as you watch and be called for more negotiations. God bless you. Au revoir.